Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. This is just a view of the gold futures chart on the smaller time frame. Price pushed to new highs recently in line with our overall analysis and bullish focus. Since the last update, however, the price couldn't form another higher high, so the parameters are still all relevant. So let's take a look at the structure. The move to the upside is quite stretched now. The idea is that here on the gold futures chart, a B wave bottomed around the 18th of December. We talked about that before. And this level did hold, and the market started to form what I consider to be a diagonal pattern to the upside. And we are considering this entire move to be circle wave 5 after circle wave 4 bottomed in November. And the move to the upside, because we're dealing with a larger diagonal pattern, would be an ABC structure. So ABC, yeah, in this ABC in this fifth wave, okay? And it is possible that in the yellow count, this C wave is still unfolding and we're forming something like wave 1, wave 2. The third wave of the C wave might have topped. Wave 4 support is here. We'll talk about that in a minute. And the fifth wave could still unfold and completely, let's say finish the third wave. And then a larger degree fourth wave correction could unfold. That could be quite substantial. Might lead to another test of the low 2000 to mid $2,000 region before we push for one more final high. But bear in mind, fifth waves in the gold sector tend to extend. This is one scenario. In this case, support is between 2,782 and 2,852. Another scenario is slightly different. We're also looking for an ABC structure, but with the difference that this is the ABC, and then the ABC structure is forming into a larger ABC. So ABC in A, okay? So it basically, this is the wave count for an extension, but then also the pullback before we continue in circle wave 5 could be larger. In this case, support would be 2,673, but we won't know that until we see more detail of this pullback. And then one more high could send us higher in a C wave, and only that would complete circle wave 5. Just two different ways how this could unfold. It's just important to understand that I think a pullback is due, and the structure of the pullback should tell us, is it the white count, which is short-term maybe a little bit more bearish, but overall maybe even more bullish because circle wave 5 would extend even further. Or is it the yellow count, a bit less bearish in the short term, but also just pushes higher once more in a fifth wave that might not be as long as in the white count the next move up would be, okay? So overall, currently the focus is on a potential pullback here that could unfold. And you see we already get a little bit of headwind there. The move to the upside is definitely stretched, which is not unusual in a fifth wave. And what do I need to see as a first indication that a pullback has started and we're testing support? Well, I think today we have to pay attention to the last swing low here, obviously, at 2,908, but that is not so relevant. Any break below that would confirm further that some local downside is unfolding. But I think a break below this last swing low here, the B wave low that formed on Friday at around 2,877, would be further evidence that a top has been struck. Further confirmation would then come with a break below 2,855. I think at that point we can say that this is a fourth wave, but we'll need to pay attention to the structure of the pullback. For now, really diving into the microstructure, it looks like a three-wave move down. So it might very well be that this is like A, B, C of a correction, maybe the yellow wave 4. Then it might now be an A, B, C in wave B, and then come down in 5 waves in a C wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hit support. And then we need to see after 3 larger waves, yeah, if this is all of, let's say, this wave 4, and if it's enough to complete this correction. So we would probably be able to tell if we see the next move up as an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by a 3-wave pullback. This is what we are going to watch for. For now, it's not even clear if really this wave 4 has started. I think it's due, so at the time, now is the time to be watching for this wave 4. And we have to make sure that we understand it could be a wave 4 or a B wave. The B wave would, for example, extend. So if we have a first ABC structure and it's not enough to complete the correction, the next rally is a corrective bounce, weak, okay, it might do this and then have a large ABC structure into the lower support region. So yeah, that's just a quick update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out these stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. And if you're interested in a long-term outlook for gold, check out our new main channel, MCO Global. You'll find the link in the description and in the comment section. And yesterday I published a video about the long-term outlook on gold. It, I think, gives you a really good idea of the overall context we're operating in, and yeah, how the gold price could extend and maybe even move above $3,500. And there are some fundamentals that could drive the price higher, which eventually have an impact on sentiment, which is what we're normally dealing with from an Elliott wave point of view. Yeah, check it out. Hope you liked the update. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.